I'm Dennis Vieira, Executive Chef at the Red Clover Inn in Mendon, Vermont. And this is how you make a fresh sardine ceviche. Ceviche is a dish that originally is from South America, very prevalent down there. It's the process of cooking a protein, mostly fish or seafood, with acid. So the citric acid is actually the product that's cooking your protein. These ingredients here, we're going to start with fresh sardines, some shallots, some tomatoes, some parsley, some cilantro, some heirloom cherry tomatoes, some peppers, some lime juice, a little bit of olive oil, and some kosher salt. Sardines are, most people know of sardines that come in a can. They're usually smoked and cured and placed in a can, and those are delicious as well, like a kipper. But fresh sardines are really great. There's so many different ways of cooking sardines. Fresh sardines can be grilled. They can do a ceviche like as we're doing here, or roasted in the oven. Very prevalent in Moroccan and Mediterranean cooking. They are a smaller fish, usually a bait fish for larger fish that eat, but also they're very dynamic. They have their unique flavor. They're very oily and very strong in flavor themselves. So that's why they work really well with ceviches, with lime juice and fresh herbs. So first off, we're going to salt the sardine. We're going to salt these guys up. Then we're going to go right on top of the sardine with some lime juice. We're going to use about a half a lime for these two small pieces. Then I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to just chop some cilantro. A rough chop. I'm going to take some of my sliced shallots and I'm actually going to chop them a little further to make them a little bit of a brunoise. Season right on top. We're going to do the same things with these sliced peppers. We're just going to dice those very quickly. We're going to take a little bit of tomato product, a little bit of parsley. We're going to take a spoonful of olive oil, and we're going to let them sit just like that for a little while. And at that point, they can be served on top of a salad, on top of a crostini, and they're very delicious. And this is how you make fresh sardine ceviche. I'm Dennis Vieira, Executive Chef at the Red Clover Inn in Mendon, Vermont. Bon appetit.